Alright, welcome back to Chat with Chief. Sorry it's kind of loud, but today I'm going to show y'all that if your air compressor is not working, this is what you have to do to make it work. So the first things first is you got to make sure that the voltage is at 209 or 208. You can change this in the settings. I'm pretty sure I don't have to show y'all, but if y'all want to see it, you just click this in the settings to change it while it's on or not. So okay, it's this button. Sorry, adjustment 209, and you press that. So thank you. Perfect. Thank you, sir. And then your connections, I'm gonna go inside and show y'all. Hey, lift this box up for me. Your connections have to look like this. If your connections don't look like this, your MWMSS, sorry, I lost my train of thought, will not work. The connections have to look like this. If they're cross, like the black is not where the black is, or the orange, etc., it will not work. I'm telling y'all. Okay. What's up, brother? All right. So a lot of people have problems with their AC compressor. What we did with ours was we took out all the fuses right there, and then we spliced them together. And then you got to do 14 and 11, you put it together like this, or shoot, sorry, like that. So this is off to show y'all. Again, if your air compressor is not working, this is the fix for it. A lot of people just order new ones, but there hasn't been a technical bulletin on how to change it out, because there's so much different things to pull out. I mean, yeah, you can just take it out and put in the new one, but again, TACOM and CASCOM has not released a technical bulletin on how to remove this one, even though they released the new one, which is the black one. If anyone has changed theirs out, let us know how y'all did it. Like I said, I'm sure it's just plug and play, but if your air compressor is not working, this is what you do. The wires, just take it off the fuse, and then right there. This is my fourth one that I fixed doing it this method, and you'll be good to go. You won't have that crazy, on the panel again with that red light or anything. So this is a fix for your MWMSS air compressor if it's down. And then remember, turn off procedures are you turn off your air compressor first, and then you turn off your main breaker, and then so forth. Go turn off your generator. Oh, excuse me. Your generator. Press AC interrupt. Turn it off there, and then turn it off back there. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'm sorry it's so loud, but that's how you fix your air compressor.